Palawan peacock pheasant. The Palawan peacock pheasant, also known as Napoleon's peacock pheasant, is a species of bird native to the island of Palawan in the Philippines. It is renowned for its striking appearance, characterized by iridescent plumage and an elaborate courtship display. The male Palawan peacock pheasant is particularly known for its vibrant and ornate plumage. It has a metallic green crown with a long, iridescent blue-green crest on its head. The neck and upper body are adorned with striking metallic blue and green feathers with eye spots. In contrast, the female is less colorful, with a brownish plumage and a shorter crest. The Palawan peacock pheasant are known for their secretive and elusive behavior. They are typically found in dense undergrowth and are skilled at staying concealed. They forage on the forest floor for a variety of food items, including seeds, fruits, insects, and small invertebrates. The Palawan peacock pheasant is considered vulnerable to extinction due to habitat loss and degradation caused by deforestation, mining, and other human activities.